How to prepare chicken and almond salad. Ingredients. Item 1. 1.5 cooked chicken. Item 2. 3/4 diced celery. Item 3. 1.5 tablespoon lemon juice. Item 4. 1/2 seedless white grapes. Item 5. 1/2 almonds. Item 6. 1/2 teaspoon dry mustard. Item 7. 3/4 teaspoon salt. Item 8. 1/16 teaspoon pepper. Item 9. 1/8 light cream. Item 10. 1 hard-boiled egg, sliced. Item 11. 1/2 mayonnaise. Prepare method. Mix cream and mayonnaise together with mustard, lemon juice, salt and pepper. Pour over other ingredients. Delicious.